Okay, so this is what my bar cart is looking like right now. Definitely nothing to brag about, but we're collecting little doohickeys and doodads and things to try to make this thing cute. I have a couple other things. Wait, let me go get it. It's so freaking cute. It's gonna be so cute on here. Found the bar cart outside. I'm that type of person. I'm a thrifty person. I love to make something out of nothing. So I want to take everything off first and then like build it back up. Corners of liquor, cute. Literal corners of liquor. Enough to make like one. Start actually keeping liquor on the shelf, like not having little bottles. Like hopefully me and my roommate can make it that a thing, because like all the liquor doesn't need to get drink up in one setting. And I just want to rethink, since I have so much like colored glass and like cute glasses. Like look at that, so cute. Just cute little shaker. Get everything off. Okay, cleaning tool right here. I got it off Shein for like $1, and this thing gets off dust so good. Like, let me show y'all. It literally just gets the dust off. See? And it doesn't like do that thing where if you be cleaning, you know, if you have dust and you like wipe over it, it like just clusters like all the dust together. This allows it to not do that, and then you can wipe it off properly. This thing is like so good. I love this thing. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. I've rearranged everything like so many times, but I kind of think I want to add this book maybe to maybe elevate this, because I feel like we need something to break something up. Like, I want something here. Like, I feel like, is this throwing things off too? I kind of feel like this does throw things off. I don't know if I necessarily care for this. Replace. Is that cuter? Maybe the scroll could go here. So I think I decided on a final form for. I think this is cute. It's so cute. Okay.